Come test drive this 2017 Chevrolet Spark. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.